So today is the Manoa Experience event held at the University of Hawaii at Manoa. So this is basically an event where incoming students or prospective students can explore the different programs at UH Manoa.
The most helpful thing is probably the amount of help you get when choosing like your major in the future. They help you with like that kind of stuff, or like financially wise. They tell you what will help you out in the future.
It introduces you to all the different majors and departments, and you get to speak with students and with faculty head and staff. We've done a lot of college tours, and we didn't get this kind of hands-on experience. It was really good.
This was so
really
awesome.